let me introduce you to WearView AI. What does this AI do? Just think of WearView as your AI photoshoot studio in your pocket. What it does is to let you try clothes on any person, create custom AI fashion models from your imagination, and then turns product photos into lifestyle shots. So, in this video, I'll show you how WearView works, and then show you step by step how this AI tool creates on-model images for your products in seconds. Once again, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where I bring you all the latest AI tools that creators like you are using to streamline their daily workflow. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video. If you have any AI tool that you want me to make video about, kindly let me know in the comments section. Now let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is to upload a model photo plus outfit photo. Next, select the clothing type. It could be top, bottom, or full body. Then, click Run. If you don't have a model, there is no problem. All you need to do is just describe the model you want, and the AI generates it for you. The best part is that you can simply upload your outfit photo. WearView then generates a professional model wearing it for you. To get started with WearView is super simple. Just follow the link in the description of this video, and it will bring you to their website, where you can start for free. Yes, you heard me, you can use it for free. Once on the website, click on Try Now. Then, sign up with your email, and you will be brought to this interface where your creations take place. So you see, finally, no more booking $2,000 photo shoots, just WearView doing its magic. Before we wrap up, just know that I have compiled a list of AI tools that you can use for all your daily workflow. I included the link in the description below, so check them out. If there is any tool you want me to make a video about, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.